we were frog fishing.
Because you were frog fishing. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here with my little guy, staying hydrated on the watermelon, and we are back at Olsen Lake. Came the last time and we were successful on the frog, so today, since the water's murky, we're gonna come with a dark frog. We're gonna try that along with some weightless tactics. So stay tuned for some epic action. There's one. Yes.
I told you we should go more in the shallows.
You were absolutely right, my man. High five. Yeah, that's what Jonah did say. He said we got to go shallower. So we've been having issues on our other rod with the line breaking. So we switched to this one.
This is a belly button.
All right, guys, out here with my little man Jonah. He's up there at the front of the boat playing with the lily pad flowers. And we got this beautiful bass. Finally a fish, guys. Literally, I went 0 for 3, 0 for 4 before this guy happened. I just switched rods with different line, different reel, different everything. And now we're using a black and blue frog. So finally some success. We're gonna try to keep it going. Beautiful fish. You can see all this grass we're in right here. Tons of grass. Oh dude, look at this one. That's cool. That was cool, John. Oh, yeah, that was my rod cracking. Yes. See the bottom right here? This is all cracked. The back right of my rod right here is all cracked up. So, but that's been like that. Look at that, guys. We got another one. Black frog. There we are, guys. Black and blue frog somewhere in there. It's somewhere in there, right, Joan? Look at that, guys. Look at all those awesome weeds. And that's what we're catching them in. Black and blue frog. The day did not start out good, guys, but I'll tell you, it's turning around. Out here with my little man, look at that. Eating some salad. These bass are nice and healthy. Out here eating some salad. Going in for the release. Gotta make sure our frog's good to cast it back out again, guys. Black and blue. That's what we're using today. Where's the fish, John? There's some good shallows. Oh, there's one. Yeah, Joan.
That's a pretty big
Woo.
one.
Yes, sir.
About the size of already.
Another froggn bass here. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, guys, there is another beautiful fish out here. Olsen Lake. Rock Cut State Park, baby. Out here with my little man. Beautiful fish on the frog. Going in for the release. Now today has been a bittersweet day because we've missed way more than we've caught, but we're gonna keep at it and see what happens, guys. We're probably gonna head out soon. It's been an interesting day. A lot of that I'm not gonna even have in this video, but just take it from me. Take my word for it. It's been a frustrating day, and we've turned it around, and we've been very successful, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube, that is gonna do it for us today. Out here with my little man, Jonah.
We found a frog.
We got a little floaty froggy, which is so ironic since we were catching them on the frog today. So today was a little bit frustrating start. We missed way more fish than we caught, but we did catch froggn bass, and we had that really cool plane fly right over us on the lake. That was also really cool. So overall, a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. If your friends don't like fishing, please send this video to them, and I guarantee they'll start. Remember what geofishing brings to you: a video every week of every month of every year. Thank you again for watching. Appreciate your time. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys on another geofishing exclusive. Peace. Just a few bass on the frog. Bass. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I'm new to here, so I don't really know if they were big or small, but I'd say between 15 and 17 and a half.
We're talking about a frog, but not this frog.
This lake was so bad. The other lake was too early in the year, 3 to 5. It always starts out really good. March, April, early May. That kind of dives for a while.
Yeah. Yeah, we started coming here because we've been fishing Pierce a lot, but the boaters, man, since they've been coming in, they've been so aggressive. I mean, we go out there almost like 4 or 5 times a week, but they got us 3 times already.
Really? For licenses?
Yeah,
They don't say anything about the guys.
No, but I chase those guys down. Not in this kayak. I got another kayak that's a lot faster. I chase those guys down. They're usually pretty respectful, but it's amazing because every time, like 9 times out of 10, they're like, "We're just checking it for leaks."
Yeah.
It's like, who the hell is gonna go that fast just checking it for leaks? No, never, never. Look at all these bluegill, Joan. Wow. Good, buddy?
Yeah, we're probably gonna test this out.
Yeah, that's fine.
First, I gotta take this off.
That's a cool little frog floating. The bass were any big?